Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes with SARS. First, ensure you understand your tax obligations as a South African taxpayer. Next, gather all your essential documents, such as your IRP-5 certificates and medical aid statements. Finally, if you haven't already, register for e-filing on the SARS website. This platform is crucial for a smooth and efficient tax submission process. Preparing your documents accurately is key. You'll need your IRP-5 or IT3A certificates, which detail your employment income and deductions. Don't forget your medical aid tax certificate, as this allows for important deductions. Also, gather any investment income statements, such as IT3B forms, to ensure all your earnings are correctly reported to SARS. Now, let's navigate e-filing. Log into your profile and select File a Return. For individuals, you'll choose the ITR-12 Income Tax Return. This form is customized based on your tax affairs. Take your time to carefully complete all sections, ensuring every detail is accurate and complete. This step is vital for a correct tax assessment. Before finalizing, thoroughly review your completed ITR-12 for any errors. Once you're confident, submit your return electronically through the e-filing system. After submission, SARS will process your return and issue an assessment. Remember to keep a copy of both your submitted return and the assessment for your personal records, ideally for at least 5 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.